Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a question I get asked all the time. Where do I find the paint coat on my Mercedes? Whether you're planning a touch-up for a small scratch, ordering a new part, or even considering a full knowing your exact paint coat is absolutely crucial to getting a perfect match. It seems simple, but Mercedes has a few different spots. They like to hide it, so let's go on a little scavenger hunt and find it together. First things first, what are we even looking for? Mercedes-Benz paint codes are typically a 3-digit number, sometimes with a letter prefix like C or DB. For example, you might see something like 197 for obsidian black or 775 for iridium silver. You will usually find this code on a special sticker or metal plate called the manufacturer's tag or VENG plate. This tag contains a lot of important information about your car, including its birthday, its specific model details, and, of course, that all-important paint code. So, where do we start looking? The most common location, and the first place you should always check, is inside the driver's side door jamb. Open the driver's door and look along the frame of the car, right around where the door latch is. You should see a black sticker there. On this sticker, you'll find various bits of info like tire pressures and the gross vehicle weight. Scan this sticker carefully. The paint code is often labeled as paint or Farb, which is German for color. It will be that 3-digit number we talked about. Easy peasy, right? But what if it's not there? Don't panic. Mercedes likes to keep us on our toes. The next place to check is under the hood. Pop the hood and take a look at the radiator support bar, which is the metal frame at the very front of the engine bay, right behind the grille. You might find a small metal plate or another sticker here. This is a very common spot, especially on slightly older models. Again, you're looking for that 3-digit number. It might not be clearly labeled as paint, so you'll have to look closely at the different numbers on the plate. Still, no luck. Okay, let's move to our third location. On some Mercedes models, particularly older ones or certain classes like the SL, the information plate can be found on the passenger side, up here, which is the post between the windshield and the passenger door. So, open the passenger door and check that door jamb area, just like you did on the driver's side. It's less common, but it's definitely a spot worth checking before you move on. Now, for our final and perhaps most hidden location. Inside the trunk. Lift up the trunk floor mat or carpet. Sometimes, Mercedes will place a paper sticker with the vehicle's option codes either on the floor of the trunk itself or on the underside of the spare tire cover. This sticker will have a list of codes, and among them, you'll find your paint code. This is more of a last resort, but I've definitely found it here on a few occasions. So, to recap, start with the driver's door jamb, then check under the hood on the radiator support, then move to the passenger door jamb, and finally, take a peek in the trunk under the floor mat. Between those 4 spots, you are almost guaranteed to find your paint code. If you've checked all these places and you still can't find it, there's one more foolproof method. Simply call your local Mercedes-Benz dealership's parts department. Give them your vehicle identification number, or VENG, and they can look up the original paint code for your car in their system in a matter of seconds. Your VENG is easy to find. It's on your registration, your insurance card, and on a plate visible through the driver's side of the windshield. I hope this guide helps you find your paint code quickly and easily. Getting the color right is the most important step in any paint repair. And now you know exactly where to look. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more car care tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which model you have and where you found your paint code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.